Silvia Tabusca is a professor in law and an international consultant on human security in Bucharest. She joins us now live to talk more about this development. Thanks so much for joining us, Silvia. First of all, you feel the system did fail. Tell us why and how.
Thank you very much. Good evening to everyone. We monitored the case actually for a long period of time, and we realized that from UK we had a large number of evidences, but in Romania the prosecutor and also the courts were unable to use all these evidences, and we consider that there is a problem of lack of training and of understanding this kind of organized crime, or possibility not to use all the evidences that they get from Europol and from UK authorities.
Okay, and of course, the biggest losers in this scenario and the biggest tragedy here is that these children will continue to fall victim to this criminal system, really. And we haven't really mentioned what has happened to these children. Tell us what they go through. How have they been exploited? And will it be allowed to continue really unfettered because of this ruling?
The situation in Romania started early in 2000 when usually people and children from poor communities were recruited by this ring, and they were exploited before 2007 in different European countries like UK, Germany, Belgium, Spain, Italy. And after 2007, when Romania became part of the European Union, the children were exploited all over the Europe. In 2010, UK authorities, together with Europol and the national authorities from different other European countries, decided to start investigation against this largest European ring doing human trafficking in all European countries, and they've been arrested in April 2010. Unfortunately, this network was in arrest for a short period of time, and the network is still acting in different European countries. After the first decision of the courts in first instance, we identified people from Tsundere and children from Tsundere as being exploited in different European cities like Amsterdam, Paris, Madrid. And the decision in Romania makes the network to be more powerful and to continue its activity.
Right. This is what I don't understand, though, because, I mean, this leaves all of us and the entire continent of Europe, really, to pay a price for this activity being allowed to fester. We've all seen these children on the streets of major European cities, and even though it is universally illegal for them not to be in school and illegal for them to be working, it keeps happening on the soil of European countries. How?
It's very difficult to have a transnational investigation that is very well organized against these networks. Usually when local police starts an investigation against the ring, goes further. Actually, the group of children is moved from one city to another city, and it's very difficult for the European police, national police, to have a real investigation. Through transnational cooperation was possible actually to investigate these kind of networks, but Romania seems that failed in sentencing this specific network. For example, in UK, in the same network, they were convicted, sentenced, and they already finished, some of them finished already their sentences, more than 120 persons. In Romania, we had the heads of the network, 26 persons. but none of them actually was able to be charged for human trafficking.
Silvia, unfortunately, we're going to have to leave it there. I'd like to thank you so much for joining us from Bucharest. We appreciate it. Let's